Nation pays tribute to former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary. Dr. Kalam is also known as the Missile Man of India. President Ram Nath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to Dr. Kalam. President Ram Nath Kovind today paid homage to former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary at Rashtrapati Bhavan today. The President and officials of the Rashtrapati Bhavan paid floral tribute in front of a portrait of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was born on 15 October 1931. He was an aerospace scientist who served for nearly 4 decades in the DRDO and ISRO. Fondly remembered as Missile Man of India for his contribution towards development of ballistic missile technology in the country. Dr. Kalam also served as the President of the country from 2002 to 2007. Dr. Kalam was a visionary leader and architect of India's space and missile programs who always wanted to build a strong and self-reliant India. Dr. Kalam collapsed while delivering a lecture at the IIM Shillong and declared dead by Bethany Hospital authorities on the same day, the 27th July 2015.